delicious and lose weight with Chef Pachi.
Hi, this is Chef Pachi, and today I have some amazing hacks. 1. How to make water tasty. All you have to do is mash or blend 2 cubes of your favorite fruit. And you can change the fruit every day if you want. You can use frozen fruit and you can use fresh fruit. Just mash or blend your fruit in some of the water, then add some extra water to complete the amount you want to drink. It might be a quart, it might be 2. You can add an herb to make it beautiful and attractive. You can just drink it like that, with ice, without ice, and enjoy delicious water, tasty every day. Keep your skin moisturized and hydrated. With Chef Pachi, delicious diets are sustainable diets. Chef Pachi. Subscribe to my channel and you'll get notified every time I have a delicious idea for you.